Are you thinking of starting an Etsy shop, or maybe you're new in the platform? You are in luck because I have put this video together to make sure that your journey as a new seller on the Etsy marketplace is successful and rewarding. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to get started with an Etsy shop and lay out the basics of getting your business off on the right foot. So this is not just a regular how-to for starting your Etsy business video. I'm actually going to walk you through my proven and perfected plugin system, so therefore you could start an Etsy shop today, get consistent sales, and scale it to a full-time income so you could quit your day job. So I'm excited for you to watch this value-packed video. Make sure that you grab a pen and paper and watch it all the way to the end. Hi, and welcome back. My name is Nancy. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to build a profitable Etsy shop, make sure to subscribe. I do upload weekly videos. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step to selling on Etsy is doing market research. And market research is just basically the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data about your target market, consumers, and your competitors, and basically the industry as a whole. So doing research is so important, and many Etsy sellers skip this part. And later on, once they have their store running, they're wondering why maybe their products are not selling or not getting consistent sales. And research will tell you if there's an opportunity to turn your idea into a successful business. And research can also provide you with valuable information about what consumers want, need, or expect. And then you could ultimately use that information to find a competitive advantage for your business. And there's several tools that you could use for free to conduct market research. It doesn't have to be complicated. This is going to help you validate your product ideas that you're thinking of selling on Etsy. You could use for market research the Etsy search bar. You could use tools like eRank, Marmalade, Allura. And these are some of the most common tools you could use in order to validate your product idea. And once you know what products you're going to sell, the next step is working on your unique selling proposition. So what makes your product unique and different from the competition? Keep in mind, consumers are overwhelmed with options. They quickly want to identify what makes your product or brand different. If you're not able to answer this question, it's going to be hard for you to sell your products through social media, through your listing description, through your ad copy, or even email lists. So you want to make sure that you know what sets your products apart from the competition. So therefore you could charge premium pricing, you could attract the right customers, and get started the right way. After you do market research and you understand what makes your product different from your competitors, the next step is creating an audience profile. And the first step towards marketing success is knowing your target audience. And your customer profile should be created in order for us marketers, and yes, I did say that you are a marketer the minute you start your business. And the reason why you want to do the audience profile is so you could better tailor a message that will attract more of those customers and increase your profit margins. So if you're currently selling on Etsy, what you could do is look at your current data, use this information as a reference point for refining the target demographic of future audiences that may be interested in what you offer, and take notes of the new customers, right, that are buying from you at the moment as well. If you are just starting out and you don't have any data, it's important to take an educated guess of who your target audience will be. And your voice should be tailored to that type of person that you're trying to reach. So what do they like? How old are they? What group branch they're into? What motivates them to buy from you? What does your product solve for them? You need to start thinking about it in that sense, because all of these things combined together is going to really help you create a more personalized audience profile. And as you collect more data on your shop over the months, these refinements will continue evolving. So keep that in mind. It's not like a one-time thing. Now, the next step is to have an email provider, and you could use ConvertKit or Aweber. This will allow you to build your list and start building a sustainable business for the long run. So email marketing is a great way to build relationship with customers cross promote other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, build relationship with your subscribers. And the best part, it belongs to you, which means that no one could take it away from you. And I recommend offering an incentive or maybe something of value at first to help you grow your email list faster. And then once you have their trust and loyalty build up over time, then you could start occasionally offering offers and they will be more inclined to buying from you in the future. Now, if you enjoy videos like this, let me know by liking, commenting, and subscribing if you have not done so yet. Now, the next step is to choose a social media platform that you could set up for your Etsy shop to promote your products. And I highly recommend just starting out with one platform at a time. Once you have mastered that platform, then moving on to another one. It can be quite overwhelming when you first start your Etsy business, all the things you have to do, and you don't want to stress yourself too thin or worst of all, get burnt out. I also prefer Pinterest over other platforms because you don't need to crack the algorithm like Instagram and other platforms. It's super easy to get traction by simply optimizing your pins for SEO, and you could start driving traffic back to your Etsy business. And if you end up using Pinterest, I also recommend that you're doing a variety of pins, some that promote your product, some that promote your shop, and some that promote your email list. This will give you the best results in driving traffic to your shop while growing your email list at the same time. So now that you have a framework in place, the next step are simply opening your shop. You could use my referral link in the description box below, and you will get 40 free listings, and I will get 40 free listings. And one important thing to do is that when you start creating products, you're creating products catered to your audience profile. Focus on quality versus quantity. This will help you not only attract new leads, but work on customer retention by building raving fans who will want to buy from you over and over again. And if you're new to Etsy or thinking of starting an Etsy shop and you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below. I am an open book, so if you have any questions about anything that I mentioned, leave them below and I'll be more than happy to further assist you, because I want everyone to finish the year with a strong year, and I want 2022 to be even better for you. Thanks for watching.